Hey guys, BOD here. Today's video is awesome, epic, amazing. 2 jackpots in less than 15 minutes playing Lightning Link. I loved it. I know you're gonna love it right now.
Thank you, Poet. I need your luck about now. If I could predict the future, that would be amazing. But unfortunately, I can't as much as you think I know. All right, $12.50 a spin. First bonus of the night. Rebecca, $2 super chat. Thank you. It's coming. Good luck. Hopefully this turns the night around. Yeah, there we go. Big hit. Finally, Ryan Smith. Have you met SD Guy? I've met him in Vegas before, but I have not seen him today if people are asking. Somebody said he's at the same casino. It's pretty small. I have not seen him. A decent little hit, though. Woo! I mean, we're 2,000 into the, not this machine, but in all machines tonight. Wow, that's at 7:15. Tiger, Tiger, Tiger. Yes. We got a hand pay, I'm pretty sure. Finally something. Don't play nickels, BOD. It's no good. Well, this one is pretty good. We got our third jackpot of the day. This might be what we needed to get back to even. And Manny, we might be doing that chicken dance. We're at 2130. Well, let's make it bigger. Come on. Tiger. Man, one more tiger in the middle. $21.86. And just like that, we are doing well again. Let's do nickels again. All right, guys, we got jackpot, $21.86. I think we're up. We think we're up a little bit today, guys. So the pot is a little bit over $4,000. Yep, we got 2,000 Tito's left. We got a hand pay coming up. Yeah, that's right, Sean Piseski. Never lose faith in BOD. Matt's betting nickels. All my hand pays today have been over $2,000. Nope, not going to dime. Sticking at nickels. Volume is maxed. Come on, 3 more. Oh, come on. That's right, all it takes is one. Sumer, $10 super chat. Thank you, Sumer, for your support. Met her in Reno and in Seattle. Great lady. No luck. Let's try Heartthrob. Manny, BOD, you're a solid dude. Sorry, BOD, you're a solid dude. You deserve the best. Hashtag TBJ. Thank you, Manny, for all your support. So we got 1,500 left in Tito's tonight, guys. 1,500 left in Tito's, plus the hand pay. We started with a little bit over 4,000. We'll take a couple hundred, and we had a last minute buy-in or two. And one person did cancel, but $12.50 a spin on Heartthrob. Just waiting for the attendant. Happy birthday, Dana Buccini.
No offense, but you're supposed to be 2 machines away.
Sorry?
You're supposed to be 2 machines away.
Okay. Where was the machine? Still waiting for the attendant to come. Put some money back in the Tiki fire. Try some nickels. No clue. Yeah, not worth it, Richard. Not worth it. See if we get the attendant. Ooh, biggest hit yet. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get a slot attendant over here, please? Thank you. Hey, everybody watching. Come on, one more. Finally. All right, big multipliers. There we go. Mini boom. Multiplier, yes. All right. Woo! Big hit. Patience is a virtue. Wow. Yes. Massive win, guys. This one's over 2,500. Woo! Good thing we moved. You're right, Slot Stallion, 100%. All right. $262 on that one. Herbert D, aren't you glad she chased you away? Well, there's no other machines for me left to play in this bank as of obviously right now, but no offense, but Hachu. Thank you, Chris Hatch.